All right, mi raza. So, clean bait here back today. Only have one lure in. Well, actually, I got a few, but none of them work right here besides this one. So this will be catch something. And it's pretty cold, so I'm wearing a sweater. That fall weather's starting to really hit in, which is good because it means a lot of good fish on lures. I feel like I came a little bit too late. Oh, got one. This guy feels good though. This guy feels pretty big. What the fuck? Damn, I can't even reel it in. Hold on. I don't want to break the line. Fuck. Let's see if I can reel him in a little bit more. Just want to get a good glimpse of him. Where's he at? Where's he at? Fuck. This is when I wish I had a bigger pound braided line. Oh shit. It's definitely a good sized fish. Oh, nice. Definitely a keeper. Look at that. What a nice little fish. Get my pliers out. Hell yeah. There you go. Oh shit, don't fall off my G, cause I gotta show them the camera. You're the star of the show. Pick up my rod, cause last time my fishing rod fell in the water. All right, everybody got my nice little keeper size right here. Look at that. Boom. Oh, actually a little short. Probably like 16 inches, a foot. Yeah, maybe like 15 inches, 16 inches. A little on the short side. Guy was hella fighting though. Let's throw him back in. Hold on, it's time. Yo! I got one! Alright. I'm at brothers over there fishing with my nephews, but they can't come over here. My nephew's here. Hell yeah, we got our first fish. That's what's up. Damn. I wish I had a heavier pound braided line though. I gotta switch out this 8. They only had the 8 at Walmart, but I have a 10 at home though. Be like, that better be recording, cause god damn, it's late. Hold on guys, let me fix my line and all. There you go. Had to fix my line. Wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Let me pick up the drag on my reel. It's too windy. Caught our first fish, so we're good. So we catch another one before the sun goes down. Ooh, got one. Ah! That would have been fish number 2. Oh shit. I either had another bite or got stuck on something. Looks like there's somebody else fishing on the other side too. Just one more. Got one. Oh, he's taking line, baby. I like that. Nice little fighter, man. Oh shit, you hear that, guys? Oh shit, it's taking line. I mean, I could pick up my star drag, but it's an 8-pound net test line. If I pick up the star drag, I'm just gonna snipe the line. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I'm like landing before the sun goes down. Oh shit. I'm hooked. I got him hooked though. I got him hooked. Oh shit, don't snap the fucking lure though. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. He's right here. Yeah! This guy's a keeper. Gotta take my glasses off, but there, I got him pinned on me. Or I got him pinned down. Now it's time to show you the goodies. Hold on, Puppus. This guy's definitely a keeper. This guy's definitely 18. I got a wide view on my camera, so hopefully you guys can see it too. But look at this guy. Woo! This guy's bigger than the other one. Woo! Damn, it's a little bit of sunlight though. I think this might be my last fish, guys. If I don't catch another one, it's because it's pretty dark, and since I can't record and see you guys at the same time, I got another one! Alright, let's let him go. Thank you guys. Damn, these guys are definitely growing. They've grown all the way to 18 inches since last time I was catching them here. So, the stripers are definitely growing, guys. Wow, that was an amazing, amazing battle right there. Nice little 18-inch striper on an 8-pound braided line. Amazing. Amazing. Maybe I should call my brother, tell him that they're over here. Let me reel it in. Hey, you got them? You got any? Hey, I caught 2. Yeah. They were taking my line. They were 18, yeah. All right. But they're over here. All right. All right, everybody, so let my brother know he's coming on his way. But this might be the end of the video because I can't even see anything. Or as long as you guys can see me, I'll still fish it, but the sun's already down and just the last remaining bit of light that's shining over the mountain, the crest of the mountain. Ooh, man, that was good, man. Beautiful fucking fish. Man, it feels so cool when these guys bite and they start taking your drag and shit. Fuck yeah, that was a pretty cool ass video. That might be the end of the live, guys. I mean the live. I'm not even live, man. I wish I was live right now. But God, that was a beautiful catch. All right, let me go get my brother. But anyways, that's the end of the live, guys. I'm glad you guys saw me catch a fish because we're gonna be fishing at night and you're not gonna be able to really see anything. We're at 11 minutes and 2 fish. All right, not bad. Let's see if we catch another one before the sun really goes down. I was looking at my camera, I can still see that. It's you can still kind of see, but I doubt it. Come on, one more, but if not, I'll see if I can still record. What the fuck? Ah, shit, I threw it over the bridge. Ha! All right, that's the end of the live. Nice little cast out there to the bridge. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for joining me and all that good stuff, all right? Much love.